Welcome to EFTM, Trevor Long here, and we're going to need a bigger shot. We're going to need this whole desk here because today I'm going to build a brand new, start the process of building a brand new video production PC for the EFTM office. So this all started when the Mac Pro came out. I saw the Mac Pro when it was launched, the cheese grater as many people like to call it, and it just has that desirable look about it as a amazing bit of equipment. I use an iMac primarily at my desk, and I've done that for probably 8 or 9 years now. And this one I've got here is the third one I've had. So every 3 to 4 years, I buy a brand new PC because you've got to update, you've got to get all the latest gear. The problem with buying a brand new PC is they're very, very expensive when you spec them up. So we do a lot of video production. I need a lot of power. I want graphics card, I want RAM, I want processing power, I want it all. And I looked at the specs. I looked at a Mac Pro. I got approval from the bookkeeper even to spend the money for a Mac Pro. But man, that thing was going to cost between $10,000 and $15,000. That was I just couldn't do it. I just couldn't bring myself to spend that much money. So John Boy, Gamer John Boy said to me, "You're crazy, can't we just build one?" And I said, well, it's been a long time since I've built a PC. Probably more than 10 years, easily more than 10 years since I've built a PC. But I said, John, you spec it up for me, you make it work, and as long as the budget is less than either a brand new iMac with all the bells and whistles, and certainly the Mac Pro, let's do it. So I had a look at getting a new iMac and speccing it up pretty heavily, and we're talking $6,500 for the kind of basic high-level iMac, and that's not even an iMac Pro. So I wanted this thing to come under $6,000, and John's pulled that off. With delivery, we've come in under $6,000. That's a lot of money for a PC, but this thing should do everything we need for several years. It has all the bits. The parcels have arrived, so in this video, let's open it up and see what's going to make up the guts of our new video production PC. Oh, blimey, Charlie. Oh. It's pretty big. This Cosmos C700M. It's a good looking unit, got some RGB lights so we can be a bit fancy. Beautiful unit. So let's actually get it out and have a look. Oh my God, it's enormous. Wow. Now I'll put all the specs of this, once we're done and built and it's working, I'll put all the specs up at EFTM.com. No sponsor deal, but we bought it all through PC Case Gear. Oh, nice. It's a gentle close to that as well. Plenty of room in there for all the bits. Speaking of which, here's all the bits. Now this comes in a Rode box. We love the people at Rode. They make microphones, our mixing desk for our podcast, but I'm tipping it was just the biggest box that they could find at PC Case Gear to fit all my stuff. Lots of soft plastic for recycling. All right, now this, if that's the body, this is all the internal organs. All right, what have you got us, Johnny boy? Lots of sealed air for the kids to pop, or me. All right, I'm just going to run through pack by pack what I find in here. All right, so we've got a gigabyte SSD. So that's a 480 gigabytes. So the thing, I'm going to get John in early next week and we're going to talk through what all it means because we've got a few hard drives, okay? So we've got that one. We've got a 1 terabyte Samsung SSD, and then there will be another hard drive as well. Which I'm tipping is this one. 3 terabyte Seagate Barracuda. So that's our storage and everything we need to keep it going. It's going to run Windows 10. Okay, keep it simple. Windows 10. Oh my God, look at these. This, I've never seen anything like this. This is a whole new world for me. When I was a kid, RAM didn't come in colors. So this is RGB light up RAM. The RAM inside the box will light up in different colors. That's going to be really cool. This is the guts of it all. This is Republic of Gamers. ROG. This is the motherboard. Now I won't take it out because, you know, oh no, we'll take it out. It's just sitting there. It's all good. Look at that. Nice looking unit. I like it. I like it a lot. So you can see here, this will, for those that haven't built a PC before, this will stick out the back of the unit for all your plugs and peripherals, and then all the slots here are for where all the gear inside this box will plug in. So the ROG Maximus 11 Hero with Wi-Fi. Thank you, John. I needed Wi-Fi. I think this is the other important bit. This is the GeForce RTX. That, I assume, is our graphics card. So that's a gaming graphics card. So my brief to John was I need to do serious video editing. I need to be able to render and output with ease, better than I currently do. Otherwise, what would be the point of getting a new machine? But at the same time, we were talking about getting 2 machines. We're going to spend a couple of grand on one and like 4 or 5 on the other. One for gaming, one for video. But why not build one that can do it all? So that's what we've done. What on earth is this? Oh, I need John. I need John! Oh. Oh. I think I know what this is, just from seeing the box. Oh, look at that. Intel Core 9 processor, as someone starts drilling next door. Thank you very much. That's everything we need in there. Look in there. That's some serious silicon. Can't believe they're drilling next door. Then we need some cooling. So this guy here, that's going to cool us. That's going to keep everything cool and calm and collected inside the box. And I think finally, most importantly, oh, this is a big one. Wow. This is a 1200 watt, again, ROG Thor Platinum power supply. So this goes up the back, this plugs into the wall, and this is where all the gear gets their power. To be honest, we didn't need something that big, but the 850 watt one we were going to get was out of stock for another few weeks, and well, I need to get this built. So we went 1200 watts. That's it. Apart from sealed air, that is it. Now I need John to explain what all this does, and then we can get building. This is going to be an epic machine. Let me know in the comments what you think. Like and subscribe, as they say, because another couple of videos I'm going to do. One with John explaining what everything is and give me some hints and instructions. And then I'm going to sit here with a screwdriver, and we don't need a soldering iron. Those days are gone. And we're going to build this thing. It's going to be great.